Welcome to Top 4 Best OLED TVs, your guide to the future of television technology. In today's fast-paced world, where visual media is more immersive than ever, the need for a superior viewing experience is paramount. This is where OLED TVs come into play. Standing for organic light-emitting diodes, OLED technology revolutionizes how we experience our favorite shows, movies, and games. With their ability to provide deeper blacks, vibrant colors, and wider viewing angles, OLED TVs offer a level of realism that was once unimaginable. As we explore the top 4 OLED TVs in the market, we'll understand why upgrading to OLED is not just a luxury, but a necessity for anyone looking to elevate their viewing experience. From unparalleled picture quality to energy efficiency and slim designs, these TVs are more than just a purchase. They are an investment in quality entertainment. Join us as we delve into the world of OLED TVs and discover the perfect blend of technology and artistry that will redefine your viewing standards. If you want to know more about the products or want to know about their latest pricing, links to all the products mentioned in this video are given in the description box below. Let's get started. At number 4, we have LG C3. The LG C3 Evo OLED TV stands out as a high-performance television, offering a blend of sleek design, exceptional color and contrast, and gaming capabilities that set it apart in the market. Design-wise, the LG C3 boasts a slim and stylish OLED panel with a glass that runs edge to edge, framed by a thin black border and a 1/4-inch thick metal band. The screen can be mounted on a wall or placed on a rectangular metal table stand, providing flexibility in setup. The TV's ports, including 4 HDMI ports, 3 USB ports, and others, are conveniently located for easy access. The C3 uses LG's WebOS smart TV platform, which is user-friendly and supports major streaming services and smart home integration. It also features hands-free Amazon Alexa voice assistant access, enhancing its usability. In terms of picture quality, the LG C3 excels with its 4K OLED display and 120 Hz refresh rate. It supports HDR content in various formats and showcases fantastic color accuracy and contrast. The OLED technology ensures perfect black levels and an effectively infinite contrast ratio, making for an immersive viewing experience. For gamers, the LG C3 is particularly appealing due to its incredibly low input lag, measured at less than a millisecond in game mode. It also supports a 120 Hz refresh rate with variable refresh rate, VRR support, AMD FreeSync, and NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility, making it one of the best TVs for gaming. Overall, the LG C3 Evo OLED TV combines a sleek design, advanced smart features, exceptional picture quality, and outstanding gaming performance, making it a top choice for a wide range of users. At number 3, we have Samsung S95C. The Samsung S95C OLED TV represents a significant leap in Samsung's television technology. This TV is available in 3 sizes: 55-inch, 65-inch, and 77-inch. It boasts incredibly bright colors, perfect black levels, pristine overall picture quality, great upscaling, and is excellent for gaming. However, it has some downsides, including mediocre sound and no support for Dolby Vision. The S95C uses Samsung's second-generation Quantum Dot OLED (QD OLED) panels, which offer higher brightness and a sleeker design compared to its predecessor, the S95B. The TV's peak brightness nearly reaches 1600 nits, a 60% increase over the S95B. Its color performance is also notable, with impressive color brightness levels and little sacrifice to accuracy. The TV covers 100% of the P3 color space and 75% of BT 2020, making for a vivid and immersive viewing experience. For gaming, the S95C is well equipped with 4 full-bandwidth HDMI 2.1 ports, a low-latency gaming mode, and a comprehensive gaming dashboard. It supports a variable refresh rate, VRR, of up to 144 Hz, and maintains an input lag of around 9 milliseconds. The TV's smart features are powered by Samsung's Tizen OS, which, while improved, is considered less user-friendly compared to alternatives like Google TV or Apple's TV OS. The One Connect box, a unique feature of Samsung TVs, offers a convenient way to manage connections. In terms of audio, the S95CE does not excel on its own and would benefit from an external sound system. Despite its high-quality picture and gaming features, the lack of Dolby Vision support and DTS pass-through might be a drawback for some users. Overall, the Samsung S95C OLED TV is a top contender in the market, offering a blend of exceptional picture quality, gaming features, and smart functionalities, though it has some limitations in sound and HDR format support. At number 2, we have LG G3. The LG G3 OLED TV, with its micro-lens array, MLA technology, is a remarkable innovation in the world of television. This model is available in various sizes, including 55-inch, 65-inch, 75-inch, and 83-inch. It stands out for its exceptional brightness, stunning contrast, and sharp, clean images, making it an excellent choice for gamers. However, it does have some drawbacks, such as disappointing sound quality and a cluttered user interface. The G3 OLED's picture quality is nothing short of spectacular, offering near-perfect performance straight out of the box. Its brightness enhancements, thanks to the MLA technology, are evident, providing a viewing experience that surpasses previous OLED models. The TV achieves impressive peak brightness levels, up to 1520 nits in HDR mode, and maintains accurate color reproduction, hitting 99% of the DCI P3 color space and 75% of BT 2020. Motion handling and processing are also strong points for the G3 OLED. It effectively upscales lower-resolution content and minimizes color banding. The TV's motion settings are adept at handling different frame rates, although some strobing effects may be noticeable in certain scenarios. User experience is mixed. While the off-axis viewing is excellent and the anti-glare technology is effective, the WebOS operating system can be overwhelming with its advertisements and suggestions. The sound quality, though adequate, doesn't match the TV's visual performance, suggesting the use of an external soundbar for a better audio experience. In terms of gaming, the LG G3 OLED is a top contender, thanks to its bright display and 4 HDMI 2.1 ports. It offers a compelling gaming experience, although some calibration may be needed for optimal Dolby Vision gaming. Overall, the LG G3 OLED TV is a luxurious, high-performing television that excels in picture quality and gaming, making it a strong candidate for one of the best TVs of the year. Despite some minor flaws, it represents a significant step forward in OLED technology. Finally, at number 1, we have Sony A95L. The Sony A95L is a remarkable television that stands out in the market for its exceptional display and performance features. As Sony's first QD OLED TV, the A95L combines the best of both quantum dot and OLED technologies, delivering an unparalleled viewing experience. At the heart of the A95L is Sony's cognitive processor XR, which intelligently enhances picture quality, ensuring that colors are vivid, contrasts are deep, and details are sharply defined. This processor also contributes to the TV's impressive upscaling capabilities, making lower resolution content look closer to 4K. The A95L's QD OLED panel is a game changer, offering a wider color gamut and higher brightness levels compared to traditional OLEDs. This results in more vibrant and lifelike images, making the A95L ideal for both high dynamic range, HDR, content, and everyday viewing. The nearly infinite contrast ratio of the OLED panel ensures deep blacks and bright whites, further enhancing the picture quality. In terms of design, the A95L boasts a sleek and minimalist look, fitting seamlessly into any modern living space. The TV also features Sony's Acoustic Surface Audio Plus technology, which delivers sound directly from the screen, creating an immersive audio experience that complements the stunning visuals. For gamers, the A95L is a solid choice, offering features like a 120Hz refresh rate and low input lag, which ensure smooth and responsive gameplay. Additionally, the TV is equipped with HDMI 2.1 ports, supporting the latest gaming consoles at their full potential. Overall, the Sony A95L represents a significant leap forward in TV technology, offering a premium viewing experience that is hard to match. Whether for movies, gaming, or general entertainment, the A95L is a top-tier choice for those seeking the best in television technology. If you find the video helpful, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.